finding range of exponential function. Okay. See, first of all, I'm going to write some question. This is question. Okay. Write question. Find range of first A 2 raised to sin x, B 2 raised to sin square x, C 2 raised to, at place of 2 we can write any other number, 3 raised to x square plus x plus 1, D 1 by 2 raised to cos x, E 1 by 2 raised to x, where x belongs to -4 to 3. Okay. Dushant is absent, na? Only one absent is. And Ganesh. Absent. Ganesh absent. भैया Okay. So, let's start. Very simple understanding is there. First of all, in this whole question, suppose I am writing one more question, f 5 raised to x square plus sin x plus something something. So, whatever technique I am going to tell you, that technique you cannot apply on f question. A, B, C, D, E, you can apply there. Now the question is, sir, why? Why I cannot apply in F question? How you means? Give me some last. Tell me what is there in this all 5, which is not there in 6. Yes, who will say? In this 5, I can see something which is very, 6 is looking very different than all 5. Raise your hand, who will say? Punit will say. Say Punit. 2 expression of x. In this, we have 2 expression of x. One is quadratic and one is trigonometry. So whenever two different functions are present in one exponential, we cannot apply this technique. We'll have to solve this question by 12th class method. By 12th class method, application of derivatives or some different method. But if you'll see here, there is only one term of x, that is sin x, simple. Sin square x. Acha, x square plus x plus 1. Here x square and x, two terms are there. X square and x, two terms are there. But we know how to find range of x square plus x plus 1. You know how to find range of quadratic? When a is greater than 0, what will be range of quadratic? Not increasing. What is range of quadratic when a is greater than 0? Check the quadratic topic. You want me to start sending you out by asking the question? I will ask the question. If you will not say, I will send you out of the class. You want me to do like that? When you are going to home, whatever formula is given, start studying. One day, if mood will be bad, then that day you will see all those things. So when we are giving you any formula in the copy, that you have to remember at home. समझ में आया चतुर्भुज? What I am saying? If I have given any formula, Jayant, Nitin, Gokul, if I am writing any formula, if you are not studying at home, one day you will get. When you are going home, properly, topic wise, remember all the formula. So here we can find the range of this. Here also we can find range of this. Here x, we know. Now see what to do. First of all, whatever is written at place of degree, okay, now find the range of that. So here what is written at place of degree? Sin x. Nitin, tell me what is the range of sin x? That Nitin. माइनस कौन बोल रहा है उधर? तुम्हें निकाल दूंगा बाहर. So first of all, write down range of degree. Sin x is less than equals to 1, greater than equals to minus 1. Now identify this number. This number is greater than 1 or between 0 to 1? Greater than 1. Greater than 1 means increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Now see if it is increasing, what I will do. Simply I will write this 2 here, and whatever number is here I will write in degree. Less than equals to, I will write 2 here, whatever number is there I will write in degree. And I will write 2 here, and whatever number is there I will write in degree, and I will get 2 raised to sin x lies between 2 raised to minus 1 to 2 raised to 1, which means 2 raised to minus 1 means 1 by 2 to 2. Close bracket, because equals to sign is there. Done. Range is 1 by 2 to 2. Okay. So what is sin square x range? 0 to 1. So what will be range of 2 raised to sin square x? 2 raised to 0 to 2 raised to 1. It means 1 to 2. X square. आया समझ में? Understood? Huh? X square plus x plus 1. I will find the range of this, and again 3 is greater than 1. So simply I will put at a degree minimum value. Now 1 by 2. This is decreasing function. So what to do in decreasing function? See, D part I am going to tell you. D part. So first of all, whatever is in degree, that you have to find the range. No changes. So tell me range of cos x. Cos x is less than equals to 1, greater than equals to minus 1. Now identify this number. This number is greater than 1 or less than 1? When it is 0 to 1 or greater than 1? So if it is 0 to 1, so write down 1 by 2. and that side number you will write here in degree, and that side sign you will write here. This sign is that side sign. Then again you write 1 by 2, and in degree you write middle one only, cos x. After that, this side you will write this side, and here you will write 1 by 2 raised to that number minus 1. So 1 by 2 raised to 1 will be 1 by 2, close bracket, and 1 by 2 raised to minus 1 will be 2, close bracket, and here we got the range. So simple increasing function, when we are adding any increasing function in inequality, we add directly. Okay? But if we are adding any decreasing function, that side number comes this side number goes that side. So this simple thing you have to remember, how to add increasing function in inequality, how to add decreasing function in inequality. Okay, do you remember negative sign? When we used to multiply negative sign, what we used to do, that side number will come this side number will go that side. How many of you remember this step? Huh? Negative number, when we multiply, what is actually negative? Negative is decreasing function. Negative is decreasing. Okay, you give me any two number. चलो बताओ. हाँ, you tell me any two number, you tell me. हाँ, दो नंबर बोलो. Tell me any two number. क्या? Give me any two number. 3 and 4. So now tell me, sit down. So let's say this is negative machine. This is negative machine. This machine work is to change sign of number. Sign of number. So suppose you are giving 3 and you are giving 4. Which is greater? 4 is greater. Yes or no? Now when you will give 3, what will be output? Minus 3. And if you will give 4, what will be output? So who was greater here? Who was greater here? Was 4. Now who is lesser here? So if you are giving maximum number input, that is becoming minimum number, and if you are giving minimum number input, that is becoming maximum number. Yes, na? So negative machine is decreasing function. समझे? So 4 is more. If we'll multiply negative sign in it, now 4 will become less, minus 4 will become less, and 3 is less. If we'll multiply negative, that will become minus 3. Now minus 3 is more. So that's why when we multiply negative sign, that side number comes this side number goes that side. Same here. This is also case of decreasing. How many of you want me to explain this both once again? Raise your hand. शर्माना नहीं है. हाँ. Simple, if you have to find exponential function range, it's very easy to find. First, see how many expression of x are there. If one expression of x are there, no problem. Like here, one expression of x, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here, 2. So 2 is there, you cannot apply this method. So in this 5, I can apply the method. 6th, we cannot apply the method. सुन रहे हो? Yes, na? Now the question is, sir, what method I will apply? So simple. Find the range of this degree part. Like here, find the range of sin x. Sin x lies between minus 1 to 1. Very good. Now see, 2 is greater than 1. Na? This is increasing function. So simply 1, 2, 3. All three place write 2, 2, 2. And their degree, write direct this number. That will come 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to sin x, 2 raised to 1. And we want to form 2 raised to sin x. Na? 2 raised to sin x is already formed here. So 2 raised to sin x lies between 2 raised to minus 1 to 2. It means 1 by 2 to 2. Okay. Okay now? Now understood? Now here also what you will do, you will find the range of sin a square x. Sin a square x less than equals to 1, greater than equals to 0. Now it is increasing function. So simply 2 raised to 0 to 2 raised to 1 is going to be the range. X square plus x plus 1 quadratic range you will find. I know the range of that quadratic. 3 by 4 to infinity. What will be range of 2 raised to x square plus x plus 1? 2 raised to 3 by 4 to 2 raised to infinity. Now this is decreasing function. So in decreasing function what we do? उसे बोला यहाँ देखने. See here बच्चे. First of all find range of this cos x. Now because this lying between 0 to 1, this is decreasing exponential function. Okay. So that side number when you will write at place of cos x, that will give minimum. And this side number when you will write at place of cos x, that will become maximum. Yes, na? Because for maximum, you will get minimum. For minimum, you will get maximum. Okay. Now, write down. Okay, so x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1. This is quadratic. Don't write x square. This is less than infinity and this is greater than equals to minus d by 4a. Lot of student d got minus 3. So that will be minus of minus 3. D is minus 3. And already minus is already there. So minus of minus 3 plus 3 by 4. ये क्या हो गया? ठीक है? Now from here, these all things write in degree of 3. The range will be 3 raised to 3 by 4 to 3 raised to infinity, infinity. Done. Okay, now E part. Going to do E part. What happened last bench? X. This is X and X is lying between 3 to 4. So X is less than 3 equals to bracket will not come and equals to bracket will come at minus 4. Now 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is decreasing function. So 1 by 2 I will add 1 by 2 raised to 3. That sign will come this side. Here 1 by 2 raised to X. 1 by 2 raised to minus 4. That will become 16. 1 by 8 to 16. Write down. Done everyone? Now we are going to see logarithmic function. F you cannot do now. Okay na? class 12th only you can do that question. ठीक है? Write down. This is a part of actually from exponential function only logarithmic function will generate. That's why module exponential function is not given, but I have told you exponential function also, because simple logarithmic function you will be get confused, sir, from where this is coming, where that is coming. So that's why I have taught you exponential function. It means one more topic of class 12th is completed. These all topics were class 12th, one small topic of function chapter. That function chapter is very big. I am going to remove all this. Array, remove like that. Na? But actually these all things are in recording, so I can delete. You will not require any notes. You can see the video and can just see logarithmic function. अच्छा visible है? What is visible? Yes ना? What visible? This side इनसे पूछिए. What visible? Visible है ना? देखिए, simple ना? Suppose I am writing y is equals to a raised to x. A raised to x, if I am writing y is equals to a raised to x. Okay, na? So this we say exponential function expression. And in this, what are the condition? Once again, yes, condition is very important in mathematics. So first of all, x, that degree. At degree, you can write any number. A will be all the number between 0 to infinity except 1. So 0 to infinity minus 1. Now y, what will be y? Y will be always positive, that is 0 to infinity. Okay, na? And the one who I am going to change this equation into logarithmic equation, this same equation. Okay. This x I will write here, x. Degree I will write here. Then I will write log. I am telling you how to change exponential function into logarithmic function. Okay, na? So first of all, whatever is in degree that I have written here is equals to log I am writing. Now in here three things are there, y, a, x. So x I have already written. What is left? Y and a. So y is value of exponential, na? So that I will write just parallel to log, in front of log. And that here a, which we say base, that will write in base here a. And that changed to logarithm. Yes. Okay ना? आया समझ में? हाँ? Understood ना? Understood everyone? So we can change any exponential into logarithm like this. Whatever is in degree, write that degree first. Is equals to write log. And whatever that exponential value is there, here y is exponential value, that you write with log, and this is base, that you will write in base. It means one thing is confirmed here, sir, log always exists with two number. Log always exists with two number. Log always exists with two numbers. Okay. And that simple representation of log is log I will write. One number will be here written in front of log and one number will be here in base. To place phone number. Okay. And you have to simply remember, acha, this is how log looks like. You don't have to get, sir, what is this? You don't have to go in that mode. In very simple mode. Acha, log has two number, one number is there, one number is here. Simple. Okay, na? Because there are not lot of things you have to learn in log. You have to learn very simple things, and you have to remember that. If you are remembering the things, then your question practice solving will be strong. If you are not remembering all these things, the theoretical part, question practice will not be strong. Okay, understood? Now say this here. Log is saying, what log is actually telling you about these two numbers. So this y and a will follow the same rule over there. So y is number accepted by log and a is number accepted by log at base. Understood? This is how you are going to see the things, your friend. So see now, log is saying, log wants to say some information about these two. It is saying y. What is y? Y is lying between 0 to infinity. It means log is saying, hey, at place of this, you can only put positive number. You cannot put negative number. So if someone is saying, what is log of minus 3? That is not defined. Why? Because that is not defined in there. And that expression I am changing into this expression. It means whatever rule is there, same rule will be here. Okay, na? Yes or no? So y you can see here, y is saying 0 to infinity. What about base? Base is saying 0 to infinity except 1. It means at this place you cannot put 1 and negative number, also 0. At this place you can only put number between 0 to 1, open bracket, 1 to infinity. It means 2. Now tell me, 2 can I put at place of base? 3, 4, 9, minus 2, minus 3, minus 10, 1 crore. Yes, sir. 1. No, sir. 1 also we cannot put. That is base definition. Okay. Now here I am going to ask you here. Tell me 10 can I put here? 3, 5, 16, 1 crore, minus 3, 0, 0. Take here 0 open bracket, 0 you cannot put. That is y place. 0 is open bracket, you cannot put. So 0 we can put or not? No. What about 1 we can put or not? Yes, we can put. Y is lying between 0 to infinity and 1 is inside that. So at place of y we can give 1. Okay. So in log, one thing is clear. Acha, now you tell me. My name is Pushpak, na? I am going to change my name. I am going to put my name Dhruva. Tell me which subject I am teaching. Still I am teaching maths, na? So by changing name, there is no change in their actual work, na? Yes, na? So suppose actually now what happens in mathematics, always we represent function with y is equals to. We don't represent function with x is equals to. That's why here direct representation exponential I have represented with y is equals to. But if you see log is represented with x is equals to. This is not incorrect. From this you can study. But we have made one pattern how we will study the function. So the pattern is we will study the function y is equals to something. So as I told you, my name is Pushpak and I will change my name to Dhruva. Still my all characteristic will be same like Pushpak. Yes or no? So simple, at this x name is there, I am going to change x name with y. So only name will be changed, characteristic won't change. And here y I am going to change with x. So only name I am changing, I am not changing the characteristics. So here I will write at place of x y is equals to, I will write with log x base 2. Now, if I ask you here, what is y? In this, what is y? X. What is x? Same thing is here, y. Yes or no? So what is x here? Minus infinity to infinity. So what will be y in this? Minus infinity to infinity. We have only changed the name. Yes or no? So what will be y? Y will be minus infinity to infinity. A name I haven't changed. A will be same. A belongs to 0 to infinity minus 1. And x, what is x here? Y. What is y here? 0 to infinity. So we'll write x belongs to 0 to infinity. Okay? Write down these all things. Log at place of this, you can put positive number. Yes or no? Positive number means, what is mathematics of positive number? Greater than 0. This, at place of this, you can put positive number but not 1. So one condition you will apply greater than 0, and you will apply not is equals to 0. Not is equals to 1. Yes, na? So now I am going to write one question, and this technique, this definition, when we'll apply this definition? When we have to find domain of log. When we have to find domain of log. It's very simple. See, this two-step theory is there. Mathematics is already you know. Two-step theory, mathematics you already know. Solving part you already know. Only you have to learn these two things. If you don't know these two things, then you cannot solve. So here this definition will write for finding domain. Is it clear? So like I write one question. Find domain of fx is equals to log base. I will write x square minus 3. This is written at place of base, and here I will write x square plus 3x minus 4. If this question if will give na, to some few students, many students of class 12th, they cannot do this question because they are not familiar with log and they are not familiar with basics. At a starting, when we teach them basics, they will enjoy. Okay. Now here simple, these two mathematics I will solve for these two, and I will take intersection done. Answer. So what is mathematics for this? Greater than 0. So simply I will solve this greater than 0. So first, don't take tension of this log. No need to see the log. Just remember the condition on these two boxes. And these two boxes, some things are written. put the condition, solve it, take intersection, done. So what will be the first condition? X square plus 3x minus 4 greater than 0. This is the first which we are going to solve. Arey, good day biscuit. Okay na? What is your name? Latika. Okay? Huh? Don't get offended if I scold you. ठीक है ना? When time will come, 5 times I have scolded you, 500 times I will praise you. 500 times I will talk about you in front of your next juniors or wherever I will go. I will say when Latika was there, starting she was not understanding something, but after that she scored very well marks in JEE. Okay, na, like Astha, I told you, na, starting she was not understanding quadratic. See, I am now taking her name. So starting, you don't know how much I have scolded her. Same mistake, 3 minus 3, she was also doing. Arey, 3 minus 3, not 0. D value was minus 3, na? So actually range was 3 by 4 to infinity. Lot of student wrote minus 3 by 4 to infinity. So she also used to do that type of mistake. That was my own personal coaching. So you can understand personal coaching, we can scold a lot. That depends on you how much you want to scold. Okay, so, but still she was very strong. Yes, yes, no. Every day she will study with same energy. Again today I will scold, again next day same energy, next day same energy, next day same energy. Energy should not change. First, this box condition done, yes or no? And on the second box, base box, there are two conditions. One is positive and one is not equals to 1. So positive means x square minus 3 greater than 0, yes or no? And one more condition I will write, x square minus 3 not is equals to 1. See, this I will solve in last or solve in first. Okay. See, this is actually na equals to sign, not equals to sign is present. But here when you say greater than. So this both will solve first. We'll take the intersection of these two. And what we have to do with this, I will tell in last, and it is going on in video recording. You can go and you can see what we have to do for this. Okay. So see, first of all, I will solve this. I will simply draw number line. As I told you, when I put quadratic, I already know what root I am going to give. You have to find roots of this quadratic by help of your root formula minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Roots you will get is minus 4 and 1. This side you will get positive, bache, this side negative, this side you will get positive. You can find positive, how you are getting positive sign. That is no need to explain now. See. Okay. Now here, x square minus 3. One side is 0. 0 is there or not? On one side total is combined form or not? So simply I will draw a number line here. See, this is minus infinity. Here I will write minus root 3. Here I will write plus root 3. These two are the roots of that quadratic, plus, minus, plus. So what is answer here? Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. को देखो वो लिख रही है. अरे stop. Greater than 0. What is greater than 0 means positive. It means here answer is this part. Positive is here. Here answer is this positive. And here answer is this positive. And here answer is this positive. Now I am going to take intersection of both. See, minus infinity, plus infinity. First of all, I will take this. Minus 4 will be the smallest number. Yes or no? Minus 4, 1, minus root 3, which is the second largest number? Minus root 3. 1. Root 3. I am going to write the first answer. This answer saying minus infinity to minus 4. Yes or no? And 1 to infinity. Yes or no? I am taking intersection. Next, minus infinity to minus root 3. Next, root 3 to infinity. So now, the answer will be minus infinity to minus 4. Infinity always open bracket. Tell me, you. What is your name? जयश्री. Tell me minus 4. सोच के बोलेंगे, ठीक है ना? मुझे अच्छा लग रहा था इसलिए मैं ये बोलूंगी, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. -4. -4. Open bracket or close bracket? Open bracket. Tell me the reason. Okay. Okay. This saying, sir, -4 is root from here. Here equals to sign is not present. So equals to sign is not in this. It means in common also that will not come. If 3 is not in my list and you want to take common of my both list, 3 will not be in list, na? That way you can say, but what proper explanation you have to give? You have to give from here. You have to give that we are taking intersection. Intersection means common in both. So if I will put -4 close bracket, that is only possible when -4 is coming in both. So -4 is not coming here, but -4 is coming there. It means in common -4 will not come. Okay. Union root 3 to infinity. Tell me, root 3 open or close? See here. Here, don't see here. See this number line and tell me at root 3 open or close? Huh? Close. Someone is telling they're close and you are also saying close. Ibrahim, tell me. Why close? Tell me. What is meaning of close? Intersection. Nitin will tell me. Open or close? Huh? How close? Just now I explained something. What I explained here? Tell me, Nitin. Why I said -4 is open? Why? It means you are not listening. Why I said -4 is open there? Why? What is the reason I said here -4 is open? So what about root 3? Root 3 is present in both. One side it is present, na? Not present in both, na? So that will be open, na? So who will apply this thinking on that? This will be, sorry, here it's my mistake. Acha, oh ho, you are picking my mistake. I said here open and I am putting close, so you are also saying close. Arey, no. See, lot of students are there. If I will do mistakes, they will directly say, sir, that 3 plus 4 is 7, not 6. They are that much confident. Acha, no, bro. Now you understood the whole thing, easy part or not? Now tell me, log is easy or not? Log has only its properties. Question is designed on their properties. So if you know the property, and when you solve the mathematics you will get from basics. So if someone is saying log is tough, it means they don't know the basics. If someone is knowing the basics and they know the properties of log, it means log is going to be the easy topic. Yes, na? So, okay. Thank you everyone. Write it down.